You can recognize a chef almost instantly. The thick white jacket, long sleeves, double-breasted front, and small fabric buttons running down the chest. At first glance, it looks like tradition, something kitchens kept because it made chefs look clean, skilled, and professional. But look closer, and the jacket feels less like a costume. It is built for a room where heat rises from every direction. Hot oil can spit from a pan without warning, and one small mistake can leave a mark. So why does a chef's uniform need to look almost like safety gear? Why is it layered, thick, white, and covered with unusual buttons? To answer that, we need to step behind the calm image of the finished meal and into the room where the work actually happens. Let's get into it right here on Secrets of Simple Things. A professional kitchen is not as gentle as it looks. From the dining room, a kitchen can seem controlled. Plates leave the pass neatly arranged. Sauces land exactly where they should. A garnish is placed at the final second, and the dish arrives looking calm. Behind that calm surface, the room moves fast. Pots boil. Pans spit oil. Steam rises when a lid is lifted. Oven doors open with waves of dry heat. Knives move beside cutting boards. People pass close to one another while carrying trays, ladles, hot pans, and heavy pots. A chef is rarely doing one thing at a time. They may be watching a sauce, checking a pan, reaching for seasoning, and moving around another cook within seconds. There is little room for clothing that catches, tears, melts, or gives no protection. That is where the chef's jacket begins. Not as decoration, but as a practical answer to a rough workplace. The first clue is its thickness. Why chef jackets are made so thick? The thickness of a chef's jacket is not there to make it look formal. It gives the chef a small buffer between the body and the daily hazards of the kitchen. A pan handle may be hotter than expected. A pot can splash when something drops inside. Steam can rush upward without warning. Even the edge of a hot tray can leave a burn if it brushes against the body at the wrong moment. The jacket does not make a chef fireproof. No piece of cloth can do that. But it creates a final distance between skin and heat. In small accidents, that layer can reduce the damage just enough to matter. The fabric also has to survive sweat, friction, repeated washing, long hours, and constant movement. A coat that looks good on day one but falls apart after a few services is not useful. In that sense, the chef's jacket works like basic safety equipment. Simple, visible, and always there. But the smartest part of the jacket is not just how thick it is how the front overlaps. The double-breasted front is not just decoration. One of the most recognizable parts of a chef's jacket is the double-breasted front. Instead of closing like a normal shirt, the jacket has two panels of fabric that overlap across the chest and stomach. That extra layer matters because the front of the body is where many kitchen accidents land first. A splash from a pan, a drop of sauce, or a spill from something carried too quickly. With two layers instead of one, the jacket gives the most exposed area a stronger shield. But the more interesting part is this: the jacket almost has a backup face. In some older kitchens, chefs worked long hours without an easy chance to change uniforms during service. If the front became stained, the overlapping design made it possible to reverse which side showed on the outside. It did not make the jacket truly clean. It simply helped hide the dirtier side for a while so the chef could keep working with a more presentable appearance. That mattered because people often judge a kitchen before they taste the food. A stained jacket can make the whole operation feel careless, even if the cooking is excellent. This is why the double-breasted front survived. It added a useful layer, and it helped protect the image of control when the kitchen was anything but calm. If the front is the easiest part to notice, the buttons are the easiest part to ignore. Yet in a kitchen, even a button has to earn its place. Why chef jackets use knotted fabric buttons? The buttons on a chef's jacket may seem minor, but they reveal how practical the whole design is. On ordinary clothing, plastic buttons are common. In a professional kitchen, they are less ideal. They can crack, loosen, become uncomfortable when heated, or break off after repeated washing and movement. A button falling off in a dressing room is a small problem. A button falling into food is a much bigger one. That is why many traditional chef jackets use knotted fabric buttons instead. They are soft, durable, and better suited to clothing that has to bend, heat up, cool down, and be washed again and again. They can also make the jacket easier to remove quickly if something goes wrong. Over time, these fabric knots became part of the classic chef look. Still, they were never just for style. In a kitchen, even the smallest piece of clothing has to survive pressure. Then there is the most visible detail of all: white. It sounds strange in a room full of grease, sauce, and steam, but that is exactly why it works. White fabric makes dirt impossible to hide. At first, white seems like the worst possible color for a chef's jacket. It stains easily. It shows every splash, smear, and careless wipe of the hand. But in a professional kitchen, that weakness becomes useful. White does not let dirt hide. A dark jacket might cover a stain for longer, but a white one exposes it immediately. That makes the uniform part of the kitchen's hygiene system. Cleanliness is not just assumed. It has to be visible. This is why the white jacket became linked with discipline. It is difficult to look careless in white because the fabric reports everything. A drop of sauce or a mark from a pan appears at once. White has another small advantage. It reflects more heat than darker colors. It does not turn a hot kitchen into a cool room, but it helps. Over time, white became connected with order and professionalism. Not because white magically means clean, but because it makes the absence of cleanliness harder to ignore. The jacket, however, does not only protect the body. In a kitchen, the arms often get closest to the work. Long sleeves. Protection without losing movement. The long sleeves of a chef's jacket are shaped by a simple problem. The arms do much of the risky work. They reach toward hot pans, trays, knives, and food. Long sleeves help cover the skin from steam, hot edges, and sudden splashes. They also create a cleaner barrier between the body and the preparation area, where hygiene depends on small habits repeated all day. But sleeves cannot become heavy tubes of fabric. Too tight, and they slow the chef down. Too loose, and they can catch on tools at the worst moment. The design has to leave room for movement while still offering coverage. Some modern kitchens use shorter sleeves or lighter fabrics depending on the job, climate, or restaurant style. Still, the basic requirement stays the same. A chef's uniform has to protect, breathe, and move. Put all these details together, and the jacket becomes more than something worn over a shirt. It becomes part of how a kitchen organizes its people. From protective clothing to a culinary symbol. By the time a dish reaches the table, it often looks effortless. A clean plate, a careful garnish, a sauce in the right place. The guest sees the final moment, not the heat, noise, and decisions behind it. The chef's jacket points back to that hidden work. Inside the kitchen, uniforms help create order. They make the team feel like part of the same system, not just a group of people moving through a crowded room. When a chef wears the jacket, they represent more than themselves. A dirty coat does not only reflect one person, it can make the whole kitchen feel less trustworthy. Flavor matters, of course, but during service, timing, cleanliness, teamwork, and control decide whether the kitchen holds together. That is how the jacket became a symbol. It carried the reality of the job on its sleeves, buttons, stains, and clean white fabric. And that is why a jacket that looks old-fashioned has not disappeared, even though modern kitchens have changed. Why this design still survives today. Chef jackets no longer look the same everywhere. Some are black, gray, or dark blue. Some have short sleeves, lighter fabrics, hidden snaps, or cuts that match a restaurant's brand. Still, the job keeps asking for the same things. The uniform needs to look clean, last through heavy use, feel comfortable, and let the chef move through a fast kitchen. Materials can change, colors can change, shapes can become more modern. But the stove is still hot, the room still moves fast, mistakes still happen. When a design survives for this long, sometimes it is not because people refuse to change, it is because the problem it solves is still there. So the next time we see a chef's jacket, we might notice more than just a uniform. Good design usually starts with a real problem. A chef's jacket may look simple, but it carries many practical answers in one piece of clothing. Every detail points to the same idea. This jacket was shaped by the job. It had to stand between the chef and a difficult workplace. It had to show stains instead of hiding them. It had to survive heat, washing, movement, and long hours. Most of all, it had to make the chaos of kitchen work easier to manage. That is what makes the chef's jacket interesting. It stayed because it kept being useful. Only later did that usefulness turn into a symbol. And like many simple things around us, it reminds us that good design often hides in plain sight. The most enduring objects are not always the ones trying to look clever. Sometimes they are the ones quietly built around real problems, carrying their history and details we almost never stop to notice. If you enjoyed this look at the hidden design behind something so familiar, consider subscribing to Secrets of Simple Things. We explore the small objects, quiet details, and everyday designs that often carry more purpose than we realize. And if there is another simple thing you want us to uncover next, share it in the comments below.